Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae Boys attacker Ronaldo Sifa says he's not bothered by threats of legal action against him by former club Ankara Gucu. Sifa, who joined the Turkish club in 2023, signed with Russian club FC Paris NN after allegedly being out of contract since July 1. However, Ankara Gucu says the signing took place without their knowledge and that legal proceedings have been initiated regarding this matter. Speaking to TVJ Sports on Monday, Sifas explained the relegation of Ankara Gucu to the third division meant he would not be able to represent the club due to the rules because he's not Turkish born. He also added that everything was done to the book.
They know the truth, so for me, I would not say anything, and just let things play out, because no club in this world now will sign a player who on a contract, so that alone can say it to everyone, so.
The former Arne Garns player played 58 matches for Ankara Gucu, scoring 11 goals. England will go into Thursday's fifth test against India at the Oval without their captain Ben Stokes, who has been ruled out with a biceps tendon injury. Oli Pope will deputise, leading for the fifth time in tests, as England have made 4 changes from the drawn game in Manchester. Jacob Bethel, Gus Atkinson, Jamie Overton and Josh Tong will all be included in the playing 11. Jofra Archer and Bryden Carse are both rested after heavy workloads last week, while Liam Dawson is left out altogether. Bethel and Joe Root are the 2 spin bowling options in the 11, with Chris Wokes retained to lead an inexperienced seam attack. Atkins returns from a hamstring injury that has ruled him out since the end of May, having proved his fitness for Surrey's second 11 last week. Overton will win his second cap and first in 3 years, while Tong is back after being replaced by Archer for the third and fourth tests.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry and Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.